This low-set 3-bedroom rented home at Slades Point is situated in a quiet location, close to the beach. The large 895 square metre property is fully fenced, with side access and plenty of room for a large shed or maybe a pool. This home features a modern kitchen, large living room and separate 1-bedroom granny flat with an ensuite. The undercover entertaining area provides good lifestyle to those weekend barbecues with family and friends. The property is currently rented at $440 per week. This would be an ideal investment for the astute investor looking for great capital growth in the short to medium term. This property is number 23 Peyton Terrace, Slades Point.